Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on baby, sweater, cap or on any project. This pattern is very easy to knit. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 6 stitches and add 4 extra stitches. For tutorial, cast on 18 plus 4, 22 stitches, row 1, right side, attach second color yarn, skip 3 stitches purlwise, knit 4 with second color yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 3 stitches, row 2, wrong side, skip edge stitch, skip 2 stitches, yarn in back, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, skip 2, yarn in back, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, skip 2, yarn in back, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, skip 2 stitches, skip edge stitch also. Row 3, right side, with first color yarn, knit 2, twist 2 stitches, this stitch from the back side to the right hand side needle and this stitch to the left hand side needle. Now knit 2, knit 2, again twist this stitch to the right side and this stitch to the left side. From the front, insert the needle like this. Knit 2, twist this stitch to the left side and this stitch to the right side. From the back, insert the needle like this. Knit 2, knit 2, twist this stitch to the right side. From the front, insert the needle like this. Knit 2, twist this stitch to the left side. Knit 2, knit 2, twist this stitch to the right side. Knit 2, In the end, knit 2 stitches. Row 4, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. Right side. Now knit with second color yarn. With second color yarn, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skip 2 stitches, knit 4, skip 2, knit 4, skip 2, in the end knit 4 stitches. Row 6, wrong side, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, skip 2, yarn in back, knit 4, yarn in front, skip 2, yarn in back, knit 4, yarn in front, skip 2, yarn in back, knit 3, purl edge stitch. Row 7, right side, with first color yarn, knit 3, twist this stitch to the right side like this, knit 2, twist this stitch to the left side, knit 2, knit 2, twist this stitch to the right side, from the front insert the needle like this, knit 2, twist this stitch to the left side, from the back insert the needle, knit 2, knit 2, twist this stitch to the right side, knit 2, twist this stitch to the left side, knit 2, knit 3 stitches. Row 8, wrong side, skip a stitch, purl all the stitches. This is 8 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 8 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.